How to use Pinterest Keyword Tool. I hope you have installed the Keyword Research tool in your Chrome browser, as shown in the previous video tutorial. Make sure you can see the extension icon on the Chrome browser toolbar. First, go to the Pinterest website. In the search box, enter the primary keyword you want to target. Pinterest suggestions will automatically appear below the search box. Once the suggested keywords appear, click the extension icon at the top right area of the browser. As you can see, the app interface pop-up has appeared. Use the buttons to collect, copy, download, or delete keywords as needed. You can see that the suggested keywords are already added to the list. This way, you can copy all the keyword suggestions Pinterest provides into your keyword list. Change the keyword phrase slightly and click the extension icon again. As you can see, Pinterest's suggested keywords are added to the list. This way, you can add different niche keywords to this list. Note that this is a unique list, so there are no duplicates. You can remove unrelated keywords from the list manually. When you remove keywords, the counter will update as shown here. You can copy this list or download it as a TXT or CSV file using these options. Use this option to delete the existing list. This way, you can start over with different niche keywords. Next, let's see how to collect a large list of keywords automatically. Let's start with a new niche keyword phrase. Move the mouse pointer to the search box. Enter the primary keyword here. Wait for Pinterest to display the suggested keywords. Once the suggested keyword list appears, click the extension icon. Those keywords will be added to the text area. Next, click the Auto Collect button. Then, wait for the app to collect all relevant keywords automatically. Note that you must keep this tab open to complete the process. If you close this tab or switch to another tab, the process will stop. Do not click anywhere on the page, just wait until the process is complete. If you want to stop, click anywhere on the page or press the Stop Collect button. Note that what we collected here is the latest, updated Pinterest keyword list. You can delete any keywords you find irrelevant. Once the keyword list is ready, use this option to copy the list. You can also download the list in TXT or CSV formats. You can open the CSV keyword file using Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice, Apple Numbers, Google Sheets, or any other program. Upload this list for your promotions or for advanced keyword analysis tools. Now you can create new pins and boards on Pinterest based on the keywords you collected. Make sure to download the existing list before deleting it, then continue with different niches. If you have any questions or suggestions for new features, please contact us. Hope you enjoy this video tutorial. Thanks for watching.